Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. Today we will add one more type of AI called follow AI. So previous tutorial we have added the AI main, like which we have to target. Second one was this was the generic AI. So we will give me a second. Let me close this window. We will AI generic and here I will just duplicate this one. We will name it as AI follow. This will follow the main AI. Cool. So first thing which we will do, we will change the mesh because the follow bodyguard should look like the follow bodyguard, right? So they are not rich, so this is the only one which I can think of. I will play this one. Let me know what do you think about it. You can put some good clothes on. Okay, but he looks like a bodyguard, so he will be fully suited for AI follow. Next thing which we have to do in the brains, I will duplicate one room, control D, AI follow, and for room I will duplicate the behavior tree, name it as AI follow. Let's see, open it. Let me change to AI follow, save, go to the blackboard, AI follow. Everything is in sync. Perfect. So I will create one more key, will name it as AI to protect. So it will be an object. I don't want to have this. I will rename it as AI to protect, and it will be the object base class. I will just choose actor. Don't want anything specific, so you can just press save. But although let's do one thing, let's choose the base class to AI base, MAI base, it will work. Click save. Self actor, let it be AI mode and AI action. I don't want that, so just delete it. Save. Go to the behavior tree. I will keep everything same, but it will be slightly different. In idle situation, what it will do, it will choose the AI to protect. So move to will come here. I don't want this. Wait, I don't want. So in the blackboard, I will choose AI to protect, and after this, I want my AI face rotation towards the target. So AI to protect again, and this one more thing. I will check if the owner is alive or not. So let's check if things should work fine. And as soon as I will shoot, then he will find some location to hide and he will move to that location. Thing seems fine. Is everything seems easy. Let's okay. One more thing in the AI follow, I will create. Although we could have done in the C++ also, but just to make the things little bit faster, what I will do, I will create the begin play, will call the parent. What we will do, I will get the blackboard. So in the blackboard, as this is already an AI, it will work. I will put delay, because sometimes what happens after begin play, things doesn't work as link is takes time sometimes. So I will just point to delay, it will work. Set value as object, and will put AI. Okay, I will create one variable AI to follow, AI base, MAI base, object reference, compile and save. Okay, and for the key, literal name, was the name again in the blackboard? We have to check AI to protect, copy paste it. Okay, so if I will drag drop this guy in the scene, I have to specify which AI to follow. So I want this one, so what I will do, I will go click this picker, will pick this one. So as soon as I will play this, he should have this valid. See, AI to protect. Okay, I haven't changed the behavior tree, so AI follow, things should work fine. One more thing, in the move to, I will put the acceptation radius to 15 just to have some gap. Let's try now. Follow, see, now he's working. Now this guy, he will follow this, but in the meantime I will increase the move to acceptable radius to 20 or 30, maybe 50, so he will give some breathing space to his master. Okay, let's see if his master will move to some distance. What if he will do? He's dancing. Okay, nice, he is following his master. Okay, let's do one more thing. We will create multiple duplicates. Okay, if I will try, let's see, they are following their masters. Yes, so my master is here. If I will shoot one, okay, I will put one condition. I think enemy instance is null. Okay, I think I got the reason. I will check if it is valid, then I will go forth. Enemy instance, if this is true, then okay, now things should work fine. Let's try that again. I hope it was saved, I'm not sure. So now in total we do have three type of AIs. One is the generic one, they will choose a random location. One is the main AI, he can dance and he can sit. We haven't configured the sit functionality yet, that we will do in the next tutorial. But and there is one more type of AI called the follow AI. If we will play it now, they are following their master. Okay, there's one more thing, like if I will shoot their master, health is 0. Are they hiding? No. If we will go to their brain, the AI follow, okay, AI follow, okay, no, they are okay, because of the location they are unable to find that, but it is working fine. So this is what we want. There is one flaw in this code. If you are confident you can solve it, so let me give you a hint. If they are in this condition, if you will if that target, that follow target is in front of them, I am following, like imagine I am the AI follow, I am targeting my master. If the master is died, so the perception is already on because I saw my master, so it won't call that info function. So that you have to rectify, you have to add one mode here and you can do that. So this was it. This was very small tutorial in which I was thinking to add this AI follow one. It will give you that feeling, okay, you have some bodyguards to go, just to be In the same page I will put that here, and see, now you have that feeling everyone is following him. So this was it. If you like the tutorial, just like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.